EDC stands for Everyday Carry, and these gadgets can help you to stay organized, productive and safe. In this video, we'll be covering a wide range of EDC gadgets from keychains, multitools to portable document scanners. We'll also be discussing the benefits of each gadget and why it's a must-have for your everyday carry. So, whether you are looking for a new way to stay organized or you are just looking for some cool new gadgets to try, this video is for you. Step into the world of style and sun protection with the Joopin square sunglasses. Crafted with top-notch materials and showcasing a classic square frame design, the shades are an instant fashion statement. But that's not all. The polarized lenses take the experience up a notch. Say goodbye to annoying glare and hello to crystal clear vision. With a range of colors to choose from, you'll find the perfect match to reflect your unique style. And don't worry about discomfort. These sunglasses are lightweight and snug, allowing you to flaunt them all day long. Embrace the sun with confidence and turn heads wherever you go. Welcome to the world of charging convenience. Meet the rolling square charger cable, your ultimate all-in-one solution. This innovative cable boosts a dazzling lineup of 6 connectors, ensuring you can charge any device from any power source with ease. Need speed? Say no more. With ultra-fast charging up to 100 watt, your devices will be juiced up in no time. Oh, and let's not forget its portability magic. This cable is so compact that it happily sits on your keychain, becoming your trusty sidekick on every adventure. No more tangled mess. Thanks to its magnetic design, connecting and disconnecting the connectors is a breeze. Behold the Anker Nano power bank, your ultimate pocket powerhouse for all things Apple. Picture this, a sleek and compact design perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. With its built-in lightning connector, wave goodbye to the hassle of carrying extra cables. Talk about convenience. With a 12-watt output, charging your precious Apple devices becomes a lightning-fast breeze. Plus, rest assured that it's MFI certified, a seal of safety and compatibility with the beloved gadgets. The power bank boasts a 5000 mAh capacity, delivering up to 20 hours of extra video playtime for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. On the flashy fourth, we have the OLIGHT Arkfeld flat flashlight, your ultimate everyday carry illuminator. Prepare to be dazzled by its dual light source VCD, a white LED for your daily adventures and outdoor escapades, shining at a glorious 1000 lumens with a 101 meter beam distance. And not to be outdone, the green LED, perfect for close-up tasks or signaling, boosts a handy 30 lumens and a 21 meter beam distance. This flashlight is as light as a feather, weighing a mere 3.07 ounces and slim enough to fit in the tightest spots, measuring just 0.59 inches thick. The built-in clip is a game changer. Effortlessly attach it to your pocket or bag and voila, it's ready to follow you on any adventure. Illuminate your path in style and convenience because adventure awaits day or night. Hold on to your keys, because here comes the KeySmart Max, the ultimate smart key holder and organizer that has it all. Thanks to its cutting-edge tile tracking technology, you'll never need to play hide-and-seek with your keys again. Attach a tile to your keychain and let the magic begin. The app will show you the real-time location of your keys, no matter where you roam. And that's just the beginning of the magic. The KeySmart Max is a true multitasker capable of accommodating up to 14 keys and attachments. Say goodbye to jingling keychains and hello to a sleek and compact solution that effortlessly fits into your pocket, purse or backpack without a hint of bulk. Budget-friendly brilliance awaits you with the KeySmart Max. Experience the epitome of organization and never lose track of your keys again. Meet the Orbitkey Nest Handbag, your ultimate portable desk organizer and handbag combo. This handbag is a perfect partner for keeping all your essentials neat and within reach. With its built-in wireless charger, your devices will stay powered up and ready to roll as you conquer your day. The Nest Handbag's removable top tray ensures easy access to your most used items, saving your precious time. Packed with pockets and compartments, it's a master of organization, no more frantic searches for your belongings. Protecting your devices from bumps and scratches is a breeze thanks to the foam-padded interior. And guess what? The dual-function hinge mechanism offers the ultimate flexibility. Open it like a book or lift the lid, your choice. Say hello to the Epson DS70 document scanner, the tiniest and lightest mobile signal sheet scanner you'll ever find. Want to conquer your scanning needs while on the move? This scanner's compact size and feather-light design make it your ideal on-the-go companion. It's just a swift 5.5 seconds, you can transform a single page into a digitized wonderland. The Epson DS70 offers an array of paper handling options, making it a versatile wizard for scanning all document sizes from business cards to receipts and even large format pages up to 8.5 inches by 72 inches. Let the magic of OCR and document management software sweep you off your feet. Create editable text and searchable PDFs with ease. And if that's not enough, fear not. The scanner comes with a 3-year limited warranty with next business day replacement. Your peace of mind is guaranteed. The Epson DS70 document scanner, pocket-sized brilliance at its best, ready to elevate your scanning game. Thanks for joining us on this EDC tech adventure. Remember to like this video and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Stay tuned to Tech and Gadget Explorer for more exciting gadget explorations and tech wonders. If you have got any EDC favorites or want to see more gadget reviews, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the wonders of tech. See you in the next video.